Hello, in front of me I've got Huawei P30 Pro. Today I'll show you how to send messages via Google Assistant. So firstly, let's go to Google, tap Settings and go to Google Assistant. Tap on Voice Match and make sure this function is on. Now simply say, "Hey Google, send message to Lily."
Sure, what's the message?
How are you?
Sending your message saying how are you?
And that's it. Remember, to send messages you have to have SIM card insert. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.